SCMEP is a nonprofit 501c3 that helps manufacturing companies with innovation, solutions, and strategies. SCMEP is part of a national MEP network of 51 centers across the United States. Our main mission at SCMEP is to help South Carolina companies grow. Our vision is to be the #1 manufacturing resource for the state of South Carolina. Just to give you an idea of the scope of our delivery and our reach and breadth over the state of South Carolina, last year we worked with 508 companies, we completed 700 projects, and we had impact to the state of $2.8 billion that was collected from an independent third-party contractor for NIST MEP. So to give you an idea of the demographics of the state of South Carolina, we have over 5,700 manufacturers. 4,200 of those manufacturers are under 20 employees. And so we have a major initiative to really help more and more of those under 20 companies so we can help the South Carolina supply chain for the major OEMs around the state.
SCMEP provides local access to world-class training and consulting resources for small and medium-sized manufacturers. Those resources are based here in South Carolina, and because they're local, people are passionate about helping South Carolina manufacturers succeed, not only today, not only in the medium term, but also in the long term. So we're looking for sustainable solutions. We do that through our proprietary assessment, the Competitiveness Review. So what is SCMEP's Competitiveness Review? It's a no-cost, completely confidential assessment that SCMEP performs for South Carolina's manufacturers. It provides an on-site comprehensive look at all the processes in the manufacturing operation, including the shop floor, the administrative, and also the distribution functions. And it includes an online self-assessment, but the real value comes in 2 or sometimes 3 of SCMEP's team coming in and actually performing the assessment on site. The output from it is a comprehensive written report with detailed recommendations. It reveals and sometimes confirms the actual limiting factors or the constraints that the company is facing. And the real value that we deliver is that we put together a roadmap to actually tell the company how to address and how to remove those limiting factors or those constraints.
At SCMEP, one of our core values is that we work with everybody from the top executives to the firm all the way down to the shop floor. And we treat everybody with care, honesty, and integrity. Our main mission with that is to understand your total business so we can find those limiting factors that's preventing you from making money both now and in the future. We've been doing these assessments now for over close to 28 years. We've done in over 1,000, 2,000 assessments. So our staff is very qualified with 20+ years of manufacturing experience to analyzing your company and making the right recommendations so you can grow and succeed. But the most important thing is minimum time to you and your staff. And that's what helps separates us at SCMEP. And our main goal is to be cost effective and yield a tremendous impact to you in the state of South Carolina. SCMEP's success is all dependent on your success, and we're excited and very happy to be a part of the state. We just like for you to call SCMEP, go to SCMEP. The way you can reach us is go to www.scmep.org. Give us a call and become South Carolina's next success story.